See, what the fuck are you doing? You need to find Laura. Laura? So silly shit. This silly stuff. Silly stuff. Silly shit. Look at this. I'm not calling you. And you don't live here. See how you invite these fools? You need to find a new house. Laura. What the fuck? You need to get out of here. Damn it. Go. You're not even scared. You don't live here. Pissing me off. Get your ass on. Go find another house. Where the fuck is Laura? Damn it. Laura. Look at you. What the fuck are y'all doing? What are you doing?